Welcome back. So I'm Raven, this is built by Birdman, and we are going to be taping up this dash to get ready to paint. I've already put a plastic bag over the door, got that all taped up, and I'm just going to use the plastic liner around the dash, under the dash, all the wiring, and then the other door. I do need to take the roof liner out, now I think about it. That'll come out as well. So this is my first time ever doing this, and I hate this. This sucks. Alright, so I think that'll do for now. I do have to go to the dentist, but for the first time patching up, I don't think it's too bad. So the only thing I really need to patch up now is the side and the windshield. And that should be good to start painting, well, cleaning then painting, but alrighty, so I am back from the dentist. I did start getting this set up. So we've got 2 sheets of newspaper there. But if we come out a bit, only thing I'll really need to patch up will be this side area. Same on the other side. And then I'll probably have to patch up the roof as well. But after that, it's pretty much ready to paint. So, back to it. That's not good. Well, probably gonna have to replace this windshield by the looks of that. So she's all patched up now. So now we're gonna wash it down with a bit of soapy water. So now we're gonna just wipe it down with alcohol and then we're gonna scuff it up. So what the alcohol does, it gets rid of all the coatings and stuff on there. So if someone sprayed something shiny on there, it'll get rid of that coat, because if you paint over that, it'll just ruin your paint. Then we've got the scuff pad. So she has been washed with soapy water. It has been wiped down with alcohol. We scuffed it up with a scuffing pad, and now we have finished wiping it off with alcohol. So now we are pretty much ready to prime once she's dry. I'll get another microfiber and dry it, and then we can start spraying. Alrighty, so I've got my mask got my gloves, and I've got my adhesion promoter. It's all pretty dry now, so we'll start. Now we wait 10 minutes. Alright, it's been 10 minutes again, so we'll put another coat on. Alrighty, third coat. So that's the last coat. We'll come back in half an hour and we'll put the first coat of colour on. It's been 30 minutes since the primer's been put on there, so it has had enough time to cure. So now we can actually start painting. I'm going to paint the dash matte black because the gloss black can be reflective and shine your face. So the matte that's why most dashes are usually matte. So let's go. So now we're up to coat 2 with colour. These coats are supposed to be very light. It is better to have heaps of little coats than just heavy coats, because that's when you'll see running and inconsistencies in the paint. Coat 3. Coat number 4. Coat 5. I think 5 coats will be enough. So give it a look. I think just finished the last coat. It's hard to really see. I think it looks great so far. I'll have to wait half an hour to peel all the plastic off, and then after that wait 24 to 48 hours for it to 100% cure. So don't touch it, don't do anything. Can't really do anything in the conditions in. Because it's 10 minutes between each coat, I've been just playing around with the door cards, switching them around and putting the good ones back on the blue one, and I'll be back. It's been 30 minutes since I finished painting. There's a few little bits I had to touch up when I looked over with the flashlight. Just right in the corner down there, then also the same spot on the other side. Well, now I can actually start taking down all the plastics and see how she looks with some proper light. Alrighty, she's all removed. Let's have another look at her. As the first time goes, I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Alrighty, we'll have a look at it from the outside. Super stoked with it, and there is more to come. I still got to paint the parts, but before that I've got to do a part 2 on the garden shed just to make it a bit more airtight, because I will show you now there is a little bit of a water leak in there, and you can really tell now after it's been a couple of days. There's just heaps of puddles on the floor. So we'll fix the rust, we'll fix all the holes in the roof. I'm probably going to get some bracing. A bar going from there to there and there to there. So by the looks of it, here it's good, and then as it goes on it bows in, which is what creates those holes. And I'm assuming if there's a bit more structural support, it'll work out pretty well. Anyways, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. If you guys have anything you want to ask me, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.